To be honest, guys, I don't even know what I just did here. I just did a look. Really, I wanted you guys to see the CC cream that I've used from IT Cosmetics. It's in the color Deep. I'm going to be showing you how I use this. Why do I twist it? That was not ladylike. Excuse me. I don't know why I twist it when it's a pop-off top, but I wanted you guys to see how this CC cream works, just in case you were thinking about getting it. If you didn't know what a CC cream was, let me know in the description box and we'll chat about it. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. But when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just wanna. I just want it.
Inside, I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. The others don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and night with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this. Perfect soulmate, I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my happy end in hard times.
Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. But I just want it. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. But I just want it. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself. Oh baby. Yeah. Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu.
Alright, my hair is pretty big today, guys. I zoomed you in so that you could see me use the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, Your Skin But Better. This is in the color Deep. I'm going to pull my hair out of my face first so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing, which is essentially going to mess up my hair, but, you know, we do it for you guys, so it's okay. I'm just going to, it's not even a cute pinup. Like, look at, it's just there. Okay, and I just ate ice cream, so I probably have stuff in my teeth. But so the top pops off and it's a little pump, and I squirt just one on my hand. And right now it's right now IT Cosmetics is having a sale. I don't know if it's still going on, but if you buy the CC cream, you get this brush, which is probably retailed at around about $25 for free. That's amazing. You guys know how much I love IT Cosmetics brushes. They're amazing. This brush, I think it's a blurring foundation brush. Let me check. Yes, it is a blurring foundation brush. You can stipple. It's not, I wouldn't exactly say it's a stippling brush. It's not, it's a blurring foundation brush. But you could essentially stipple with this because of the size of it. And that's what I'm going to do using this. And the color, you know, they did a pretty good job at matching this. I think that this deep is the darkest color that there is. So I'm just going to grab it off of my hand and then stipple it onto my cheeks. And I'm stippling because I want the color to stay where it is. And you can see how I had hyperpigmentation in my cheek area. And that's pretty much been corrected by the CC cream. I'm just gonna stipple and push at the same time. I think I just grabbed some of my lip gloss, bring it down here. One pump really did the entire perimeter of my face. I have been listening to this one girl named, I think her name is Sinead Harnett. The song is If You Let Me. Oh, it's so good. It is so good. That song has been on repeat in my house ever since my husband turned it on and had me listen to it. We like to play music at night before we go to sleep, but it kind of runs into our sleep, you know. And that came on to the playlist, and I'm just stippling this in until I feel like it's in there good. You can see, really, you can't, it looks like my skin, but you can't see. Not that I'm trying to hide the hyperpigmentation, but it's not as prominent. I have like a natural contour right here, and then light all in these areas. And so the CC cream, which essentially means color correcting, it's not a foundation, but look at, you could barely feel it. It's lightweight. It sits on my face really nicely. It definitely color corrected my skin. I don't feel like my skin is a different color than what it's supposed to be, but I am going to go in right now and do some contour with
like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
Alright guys, that is the video of how I did this look, and also how I like this CC cream. I really like it. It Cosmetics did a great job. I think that deep was the darkest color that they had there, so who knows if in future months or future years they will be extending their shade range. I'm not entirely certain because I do not work for It Cosmetics, but as far as the deep shade, I really like it. If your complexion is anything similar to my own, then you might like it, or if you're lighter, whatnot. Make sure you go in store, try it out. Let me know if you liked it. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up button. If you did not like this video and you give me a thumbs down, please leave me a message in the comments and let me know how you liked it. Leave me a message in the comments letting me know what it was I could have done to make this video better for you, so that you will watch more videos. I know you want to watch some more, so I'm going to leave a few right here for you. And you guys know. Y'all know what to do. Just like in every video, you guys, make sure you subscribe. It's the right thing to do.